So here we are at the lion enclosure, and lions are great to paint and photograph because they tend to be fairly stationary, especially when it's a lovely sunny day like this. So they'll find a spot, maybe somewhere dappled with some shade, and then they'll just lay there and give you an opportunity to paint them or photograph them and get their shades of color. So here you're working with shades of brown and gold, and a little dappled sort of a dark green gray. And you can see the decorative areas of the face with the white and the dark.
Yeah, I don't think I have much. Oh, although I'd let, man, if I had my spotting scope, I love paws. Aren't paws just adorable? I'd love to just zoom in and get like a nice close-up of the paw.
Well, I could do that.
Front of paw or bottom of paw?
The bottom of the front feet, front paw.
Never done it. I'm going to Maine on Friday. Oh, yes, the holiday weekend. But not, well, right, but Buck and I are going. We're going at like 3 in the morning, so no one sees us going.
I would like to bribe that female to go back to that sweet pose. I think like sketching them, one of the things I want to do is wait for them to do any of their behaviors that are natural but not something they do all the time, because you see them in their resting poses all day long, but then they do fun things, they yawn, and those are the ones that I really want to try to capture. It's quick, but it makes them look so much like you can imagine what their lives might be like, you know what I mean, while they're doing more than just, they lay most of the day, I'm sure, but they scratch, they yawn, they groom. I love those behaviors.
So will there be some challenges with their coloration?
Well, the male is in dappled light, and that's really challenging. I mean, shadows in general are really valuable, but when shadows are dappled, or in that case, those are the shadows of the leaves of the tree above it. And so it makes them look polka dotted. And that is really hard to give it's a beautiful scene, but how to make that scene translated onto paper so it doesn't look like you're painting a polka dotted line.
I suppose a benefit of staying in a place for a while is that you get to see those different poses and head positions.
Absolutely. For me, field sketching is something that I dedicate like a day to, because you really, if you want the advantage of seeing all those special things, you got to spend time with them. And fortunately, I'm more than happy to. I can't think of a better way to spend a day than to just watching animals do what they do.
I'll put it over in your sketchbook for a little while.